When I first got my diploma, I said to myself, that's it. I finally graduated, my GitHub page is greener than a Christmas tree, and I put aspiring software engineer on my LinkedIn profile like some badge of honor. So all I have to do now is find a job as a developer. How hard can that be? I do that literally every day. Little did I know, this was the hardest part yet. As the rejection emails piled up and the so-called employers on LinkedIn kept ghosting me, I slowly started to understand what really matters when it comes to landing a job as a junior developer. And spoiler alert, it's not as straightforward as it sounds. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 things that truly make you stand out as a junior developer in 2025. First, build publicly and recycle the content. Build one small project, then squeeze it for 3 different proofs. Ship a tiny app, push the code to GitHub, write a short LinkedIn post about the worst bug you fixed, and make a 30-second screencast showing the feature. That is 3 signals from one effort. Do not aim for perfection, aim for clarity. A clear story about what you built and what you learned is worth more than a perfect polished product no one sees. Example, you make a weather widget using Open Weather API. Tweet a quick before and after of your refactor. Post code snippets highlighting a clever little fix. That pattern gets your name into feeds, search, and recruiter DMs. Second, contribute tiny but visible things to open source. You do not need to submit a rewrite of React to get noticed. Fix a typo in a README, add a single unit test, or improve an example. These micro contributions put your username in a project people and companies already use. They create context. When a hiring manager Googles you, they see real contributions, not an empty GitHub. Here is a practical tactic. Scan issues labeled good first issue and look for docs, examples, or tests. Those are the fastest paths to your first accepted PR and a real conversation with maintainers. Third, show proof of curiosity instead of fake competence. Companies hire learning agility. Publish tiny learning notes, not long essays, just micro posts that document a struggle and the moment you understood something. A screenshot with a caption like why I finally stopped misusing async await or a 2-paragraph note on how you debugged a race condition is powerful. It signals you are reflective and improving. Hiring managers prefer someone who can grow over someone who pretends they already know everything. Fourth, follow the 3-to-1 connection rule. For every post you make, leave 3 meaningful comments on other devs' posts. Not nice, but a short, thoughtful point or a clarifying question. This is not networking theater. It is an attention multiplier. Consistently adding value to larger conversations makes your name familiar in the right circles. Finally, package yourself as a pattern, not a checklist. Recruiters and engineers hire for patterns they recognize. Patterns look like consistent public work, tiny contributions to real projects, and short posts that show learning. Do these 3 things for a month, and your name will start appearing before your resume does. Momentum beats perfection. Perceived value beats raw skill when nobody can see you. You do not need to be the smartest person in the room. You need to be the one people remember. Build something small, share what you learned, contribute tiny patches, and engage thoughtfully with other devs. Those moves create social proof, and social proof gets you interviews. Now go pick a small project, ship anything that works, and make 3 posts about it. You will be surprised how fast the void starts talking back. And speaking of picking up small projects, if you're looking for a place to find original, one-of-a-kind projects that will put you leagues ahead of the average junior dev, then look no further than Code Crafters. Their platform gives you access to unique projects that will help you stand out from the competition without the clown shoes and nose. Want to build an HTTP or DNS server from scratch? Check. Hell, you can even craft your own version of Git, all while others are still struggling to center that annoying div in their to-do app. You can start some projects free of charge, and if you use my link in the description, you can get yourself a whopping 40% off, so hurry up. This was Codehead with yet another tech rant. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Lights out.